Musk has launched his long-teased artificial intelligence startup xAI.
Own AI technology to take on ChatGPT.
Elon Musk is what Elon Musk does.
Today, we explore Elon Musk's groundbreaking venture, xAI, as it thrills rival companies like OpenAI and Google, along with AI experts and scientists. The air is buzzing with excitement since the official announcement on the 12th of July. Elon Musk is all set to challenge the status quo and reshape the future of AI technology. In this video, we discuss the potential impact of xAI, Musk's strategies for success in countering OpenAI's ChatGPT, and the dangers of an escalating AI arms race. Join us to stay ahead of the curve and witness the hype surrounding this game-changing news. Don't miss out. Watch until the end to uncover the future of AI that Elon Musk is shaping. Subscribe now for the latest updates in the world of AI. 1. Purpose of xAI. Elon Musk's recent launch of xAI, a new AI company, though it has purpose to understand the true nature of the universe, many believe it is developed to counter the potential threats posed by ChatGPT, according to Reuters News. Musk has expressed concerns about the risks associated with artificial intelligence, and xAI emerges as his response to address these concerns head-on. By developing xAI, Musk aims to provide an alternative that safeguards against the potential dangers and limitations of existing AI systems, such as ChatGPT. While OpenAI, the organization behind ChatGPT, has made significant advancements in natural language processing, Musk's xAI intends to take AI to the next level by delving into the mathematics of deep learning and developing a theory of everything for large neural networks, as it is expressed by Greg Yang, co-founder of xAI. This strategic move emphasizes Musk's dedication to pushing the boundaries of AI and ensuring that the technology aligns with human values and safety. By establishing xAI, Musk seeks to carve a path towards a safer and more transparent future for AI, countering the potential threats posed by existing AI models like ChatGPT. 2. The threat to ChatGPT's dominance addressing concerns and political biases. Elon Musk has expressed concerns about AI systems being trained to promote certain political biases. He criticized OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, for being secretive. By forming xAI, Musk aims to build an alternative AI system that seeks maximum truth-seeking and strives to understand the nature of the universe. He made this point during his interview with Tucker Carlson on Fox News in April this year. This suggests that xAI may prioritize transparency and neutrality, addressing the concerns Musk has raised about political biases in ChatGPT. Competition and talent acquisition. Elon Musk's new company has unveiled a team of engineers who are alumni of DeepMind, OpenAI, Google Research, Microsoft Research, Twitter, and Tesla, and have worked on projects including DeepMind's AlphaCode and OpenAI's GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 chatbots. It indicates his intention to challenge existing AI systems like ChatGPT. With the expertise of these engineers, xAI could potentially further attract top talent from the AI industry, competing with OpenAI for skilled researchers and developers. This competition could drive innovation and foster the development of alternative AI models. Emphasizing the AI arms race and its potential dangers, Elon Musk's strategies to counter ChatGPT and develop xAI have the potential to trigger an AI arms race, with detrimental consequences for humanity. Musk's concerns about the risks posed by advanced AI systems have led him to found xAI as a measure to prevent an AI dystopia. However, experts and researchers, including xAI advisor Dan Hendricks, caution that the addition of another well-resourced AI company may intensify the competitive pressures and fuel the race to develop powerful AI systems, overshadowing efforts to ensure their safety. Hendricks, who is the executive director of the Center for AI Safety, emphasizes the need to prioritize the mitigation of AI risks. He warns that the pressures to outpace competitors can lead to sacrifices, potentially compromising safety measures in the pursuit of competitiveness. This scenario sets the stage for an AI arms race, where companies prioritize speed and market dominance over comprehensive safety protocols. The current landscape, with companies like Microsoft, Google, and Meta actively engaging in the AI race, raises concerns about the balance between growth and safety. As these tech giants strive to capitalize on the AI boom, the focus on research to ensure the safe deployment of these powerful tools is taking a back seat. In this winner-takes-all race for power, the potential consequences are reminiscent of past mistakes, such as social media's prioritization of growth over safety. Limitations of xAI. Elon Musk's xAI project faces technological limitations in matching the cloud computing power of established firms like OpenAI, Microsoft, and Google. With a small team of AI researchers, xAI may struggle to compete with the resources and expertise of these industry giants. However, xAI benefits from its association with Twitter and Tesla. While xAI's current size may appear modest, Elon Musk has a track record of acquiring expert staff and expanding resources. Although the project looks small compared to its goals of challenging AI giants, its potential for growth and strategic partnerships could lead to significant advancements. While xAI faces limitations, its evolution and impact in the AI landscape can't be underestimated. Conclusion. In summing up, Elon Musk's xAI represents a significant step forward in the world of artificial intelligence. Musk's determination to counter OpenAI's ChatGPT and his relentless pursuit of safer, more transparent AI systems highlight his commitment to shaping a responsible AI future. However, we must also consider the dangers of an AI arms race, which could be triggered by xAI development. It is crucial that all AI companies prioritize collaboration, transparency, and ethical guidelines to ensure the safe development and deployment of AI technology. Thank you for watching. Share your thoughts on xAI's potential impact on ChatGPT's dominance. Please comment. We are working so hard to create informative content with supporting news reports. We request you to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel if you find our work meaningful. Thank you so much.